frick? The frick? Hold on. Hold the phone. Is this a fail? Let me check IEM bot. Is this an actual SVR, or did it just randomly activate? Like, turn on. It's a real SVR, just it's failed. There's no voice.
You may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, north central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia until 3 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bluemont, or 12 miles west of Leesburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Reston, South Riding, Herndon, Broadlands, Brambleton, Dulles International Airport, Ashburn, Linton Hall, Chantilly, Bull Run, Haymarket, Middleburg, Arcola, Oatlands, Sutherland, Gainesville, Catharpin, Gleedville, and Wolsey. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.